The whiteboard is the only graphical medium where you can tell a story, collaborate, and innovate with your team as fast as you can think. At JIBB, we know that this tactile expression is a key element to a successful meeting, and in today's hybrid work environment, it's become difficult to use this method of collaboration. You're probably all too familiar with awkwardly trying to take photos and team members asking, "Sorry, what does that say?" Now, whenever you're in your huddle space and you want to communicate your ideas, you can use your Cisco device, whiteboard, and JIBB to reach deeper insights with your team. With multi-surface detection using your video feed, JIBB can capture and share a clear, digitized version of your handwriting from your whiteboard directly on your screen and with others in real time. Once you've wrapped up your meeting, you can export all your selected frames as a PDF file so you can share them with people who weren't able to attend. If you love whiteboarding, JIBB is perfect for you. All it takes is one click, and if you can think of it, you can share it with JIBB.